So one of the questions that we're often asked is, why is real estate still a good long-term investment? Well, number one, real estate over the last 70 years has appreciated about 4% a year. So when you look at 2020 to 2023, we saw a lot of markets appreciate by 45, even 50% during that time. That was a lot of appreciation in a very short time frame. Number two, great way to control your monthly living expenses. I don't know about you, but I've heard a lot of folks who have been renting their landlords increasing the rent 5, 8, 10, 12, 15% year over year. When you get a fixed rate mortgage, you're locking your expenses in throughout the life of that loan, and that's a huge benefit. Number three, we're also hearing people saying that prices have gone up so much. And would you be surprised to know that prices are only about 9% over the historical trend line? Only 9%. But yet it feels, because it went up so quickly, that it came in at a greater rate. Here's one of the things that we've come to terms with. Markets are going to go up and down over time. There's no doubt about that. And a lot of people may feel that they're buying at the top of the moment, but I can assure you, you're never buying at the top of the market. If you want to learn more about why real estate is still one of the best long-term investments, reach out to us, give us a call or DM us, and we'll share some more information.